I just got $100 taken from me. Oh! I myself!
No, you did not! No, you did not!
So what are we doing in this video? No, we can't brief it for that. Okay, maybe we can.
Hey friends, welcome back to another vlog with us. My name's Kaylee if you haven't been here before.
My name's Luke.
Together we're Laylee and we do lifestyle, fitness, and mental health vlogs because I'm bipolar 1. In this video, we try to make me kind of get out of a kerfuffle mood. I was in a very depressive state, so I get my hair done, we went on the boat, we played some Monopoly, and Luke kind of had an accident. So let's get into the video. You brought me food. He's coming to my hair appointment because he's the best boyfriend ever.
We got the food.
The foods.
Oh. I didn't break anything, I'm sorry. So what do you think, baby?
I love it. I feel more like myself. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, and I got my hair done yesterday, so I'm feeling...
You can't see it, you can't. It's up.
Sorry. I have to do my makeup and stuff. My eyes are really dark. I got good sleep last night, so that's good. I'm feeling more like myself today, and it's not raining, so we're gonna get out on the boat, and we're gonna go get some brekkie and stuff like that.
Wait, hold up. You're not doing makeup on your face.
I just covering up my dark circles
Gotcha.
Because you can tell that I've been really stressed out. I don't know why. I just been in my head a lot, but that's okay. I know I promised Luke that I wasn't doing makeup, but it makes me feel better, so I doing my mascara a little bit. Ouch, my eyeball.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I didn't brush my teethies. Gross. Look at Garba! Oh, it's Monopoly!
Oh, it's the eBay game.
Yay! I had the shower and we opened up another package. Our duvet, it's gonna be so cozy in our bed now. It's gonna feel like a little hotel, I think. We look real ratchet today because we're
It's
just being
Sunday.
lazy and
We've already done our chores, so
yeah, so now we just like, I don't know if I should edit or not, or if I just want to hang out with Tim.
to chime in. So we didn't film too much on the boat yesterday. We honestly got caught up with.
Well, it wasn't that we got caught up. It was just I needed to enjoy some Luke time, and I needed to be outside to feel better.
I caught Loki swimming like one of those pigs that you swim with like in Mexico. So I mean that was enjoyable to say the least. But so we just got done cleaning up the house. We did Publix pickup, so we got groceries for the week.
Whoop, whoop.
So
We're
pretty
getting prepared.
So we're pretty prepared. We're not meal prepping because
It goes bad too fast. He didn't taste good.
the zucchini didn't keep right. Well, I don't know. I was kind of grabbing this camera because
We gonna go.
No. Oh no. Well, since we're wanting to be lazy, it's either we want to go on a bike ride, but we would have to go get a bike pump, and I don't really feel like spending money right now.
Exactly.
But we just got Monopoly in the mail.
Oh, we
Game night?
we can
Game
do
day?
games.
Game
Yeah,
day?
let's do a game. I'm down.
You see that? 6, 7. What is that? I just got $100 taken from me. Oh!
Wait, what are you doing?
I myself.
No, you did not. No, you did not. You did not. Babe, oh my God. Oh my God! I've never seen Monopoly played with this stinky. It's really cool, but if you can see, I just beat Luke. Luke was the ship, I had an airplane, I beat him.
She bankrupted me.
I bankrupt you. Think about that.
Not to cash money.